Hi everyone, in this short video tutorial we will show you how to unhide a hidden worksheet in Excel. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. In the last video, we showed you how to simply hide a worksheet. Now we're going to show you how to unhide that worksheet, and we're also going to demonstrate how you can easily see how many hidden worksheets are in the workbook and what their names are. As you can see, we only have one visible worksheet here, and it's called Sheet 2. In the workbook, we have a hidden sheet, Sheet 1. If we want to unhide a sheet in the workbook, we click on any sheet that is visible. In our case it is Sheet 2. We right-click. The table will appear and we select Unhide. Now we get a window that shows us all the hidden sheets in the workbook. In our case, only one sheet is hidden, namely Sheet 1. If we had more hidden sheets, we would have to click and select the ones we want to reveal. When we have selected the sheet we want to unhide, we click OK. Well done. Now we have both sheets visible again. If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via a like or comment. Learn how to use Excel quickly and easily with our simple and quick videos. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you in the next video.